Welcome to 138 Mahers Road.
Hi, I'm Bill from openhomeonline.
And I'm John. If you're looking for a hidden pocket of paradise, this is the place. Amble down the country drive to reveal 6.6 acres. Emerald lawns surrounded by deep green subtropics, supporting a plethora of wildlife. Double garage, internal access, ample storage. Low maintenance brick, cooler for summer. Come in. 4 bedrooms in total, 3 located on the western side of the home. There is also a large bathroom conveniently positioned here. Moving to the eastern side will bring you to the master bedroom and ensuite. Space, light. Moving through the centre of the home brings us to the living dining area. Plenty of options here. At the northern end of the house we have a huge open plan living room alongside the modern kitchen. Loads of cupboard space, gas cooker, an area bathed in natural light, a space you will enjoy simply being. Doors open to the level lawn garden area, which has been nurtured to bring some of the spectacular bird life that little bit closer. We are only 5 minutes to Australia's most beautiful country town and the desirable lifestyle it offers. 15 minutes down the road will bring you to pristine beaches. Yes, this one ticks all the boxes. Close to town, private, easy care.
Well, I'm Bill.
And I'm John. Welcome home.